Mr. Lover, lover. I'm Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
How you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something on.
But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain.
Cause he ain't got nobody to listen.
I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
Now in its place is something new. I hear it when I look at you.
Could it be? After all these years, is this possible?
Should I know you?
No, you're only a babe, but a mother never forgets.